How you doing, everyone? Welcome back. Gonna have a really brief look at Moss Carbon, and I feel like man down. Like the wound is deep. I put out quite a lengthy video. I don't know, 5-6 hours ago. Because it did look like we'd broken free. And I must say I took my eye off of this one. So I'm just gonna zoom right in on the hourly so that we can see what's been going on. Gonna get rid of that as well. Okay, here we are. Okay, so we had a little break to the upside. We were rejected by the cloud. We retested the bottom of the wedge again, and it looks like we had a little launch and we were rejected by the cloud. That was 4 hours ago, and since then we have tailed off. And pretty much back to worst case scenario. I am not happy. Moss Carbon, I am not happy. So guys, I can only apologise if I'd kind of caught the if I'd have had frustrating. So we are where we are. What to look for now? What to look for now will be support at 9.99. We've also got 10.26 coming up, and it looks like we're currently teetering around this area where we had some support resistance back on the 4th. So I'm just going to pull out to the daily now and see how that all aligns and whether there's any others that are going to show themselves to me. Okay, so on downwards we have got level of support there, and here there's a fair few, to be honest. I can't see this thing completely falling off the table. We have got support on the way down if we are going to move down. I mean, we have sort of broken south of the wedge, but we haven't completely dropped off the table, which it's not good to see. It's just it's the best of a bad situation. Okay, and then here's where we start matching up with the Fibonacci. So let's take it back to the hourly. I genuinely have not looked at this for best part of 4.5-5 hours off on some other tasks, and yeah, very unfortunate. Very, again, with a capital V. Okay, right, what to look for from here will be a bounce, or we are going to move lower, and we've already wicked to and below 10.51. If we lose there, we're coming down to 10.26 and then 9.99, and I'll have to re-review where we are from those points. But all I will say, and looking back at the previous history, I think I advised earlier that this thing normally, when it does make a move, it flies from beneath the negative Ishimoku. So that's still on the table. That is still on the table. I'm not going to remove the wedge just yet, because this could actually be a fake and moving us into a swing. He hopes, because as you can see, each time we have made a dramatic pump, it has begun with a swing. Yeah, it has begun with a swing. So just to draw back to the big move. As you can see, we did have a couple of swings here, to be fair. Dropped and climbed, dropped, huge swing, huge swing. So yeah, I'm not happy. Yeah, I'm not happy, but I'm not happy, but I'm also not overly bearish, if that makes sense. I think I'd be concerned if we lose 10, if we lose the 9.99, I'll be concerned. But, and I will draw it blue. Let's get rid of that one because that didn't play out full stop at all. Actually, do you know what? Let's get rid of all of this. Other than the cloud, other than the wedge. What to look for will be a swing like we've seen previously when this thing wants to go. Yeah, that would just be a rocket. Because if it isn't a rocket, I will be disappointed. Yeah, just going to get rid of the X marks the spot because we didn't consolidate sideways and make a decision on going higher or lower. We went literally as we approached the apex of the wedge. We went down. So guys, what to look for now is this. And best of luck to you all. If we do have this giant moonshot, then obviously that was always in the plan. Crypto Fib said that we'd have a little drop and we'd zoom into a pump through the negative Ishimoku, as I think you'll all agree. No, jokes aside, I'm not playing. I've got a lot of money, a lot of money involved with this token. So yeah, let's hope this was just a little back test into a swing, and then we'll go from there. I'm going to be putting a video out briefly, whether it be today or tomorrow, on 3 tokens that I'm going to be investing in quite imminently actually, but I'll make sure that the videos come out before I make my trades. And one will be a good piece of information, one will be a projection on a riskier gamble, and there will be a third which is going to raise some eyebrows. But these are the ones that I'm most bullish on for 2022. Long-term holds. One of them could be a short win, but yeah, the 3 tokens which are for long-term. So ending an upsetting video on some good news. That yeah, there's going to be a nice video coming from me shortly, within the next 24 hours on my future trades. Alright, best of luck. Again guys, I do apologise that we've come down. I really did believe that fake out there was us beginning to have a rocket through. Wasn't to be the case, but I've been saying for a good 2-3 days now, I really dislike wedges, really dislike them. You cannot tell. It's 50-50, 100% 50-50. We've had 1, 2, 3 patterns of consolidation, and then we've legged down. So hopefully this is just a swing, but if not, yeah, it's just another wedge to not like. Alright, see you soon.